Deploying the same application to dev, staging, and production shouldn't mean maintaining 3 separate Helm charts. That's where values files come in. A values file is Helm's way of separating configuration from chart templates. It provides all the parameters your chart needs, like image tags, replica counts, resource limits, and service configurations. The default file is values.yaml, and it contains key value pairs in YAML format that your templates can reference. The real power comes from override flexibility. When you install or upgrade a chart, you can override any value using the --set flag for individual values, or -f to point to an entirely different values file. This means you can keep your chart generic and customize it per deployment. This makes charts incredibly reusable across environments. Your dev environment might use 1 replica and a small resource limit, while production uses 5 replicas with much higher limits. Same chart, different values files. No code duplication. In your templates, you access these values using the .values object. For example, .values.image.tag becomes the actual tag from your values file. Helm injects these values when rendering templates, giving you dynamic, environment-specific Kubernetes manifests from a single chart. Values files are Helm's configuration layer that makes charts portable and reusable across environments. Master this pattern, and you'll deploy with confidence anywhere. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.